Have you ever wondered what happens when we sneeze? Well, when something irritates our nose like a dust or pollen particle, our bodies try to rid of it by sneezing. When we sneeze, our nose and mouth release a burst of air that can travel up to 160 kilometers per hour. This helps to expel the irritant from our nose and throat. But did you know that sneezing also involves our eyes? When we sneeze, our eyes automatically close to protect them from the force of the sneeze. Sneezing is a perfectly normal and healthy bodily function. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember it's just your body doing its job to keep you healthy.